Hi guys, and welcome to my review. This one is Affiliate Marketing Revealed. It's by Mounza Akmal and Dawud Islam. It goes live on the 21st of Jan 2022, 9 AM EST time, and it is a 5-day launch. So if this is something you might be interested in, it's obviously going to show you all about affiliate marketing. It's also showing you the right way to do it, where you will start to make money and an income, as opposed to other affiliates that tell you what's going to happen and it doesn't happen. And you know, a lot of people get upset about that. So Affiliate Marketing Revealed is going to show you exactly how you are going to start making money, guys. Okay, so let's shrink the screen down and let's jump straight into it. So I'm hurrying over straight away to the members area. Again, I'm not going to disclose much of this information because I don't want to. I don't want you to be aware of it at the moment. But what I do want you to know is just how easy it is for you to get onto the members area. All you need to do is put your email, create your own password. It takes you straight to a very simplified area where you can just click on everything that you need. Everything is all here, including the unadvertised bonuses, and it's going to give you a very detailed progress of how you're going to start to put all the wheels into motion to create your journey to affiliate marketing business. Okay, so that's how that side of it's going to work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jump straight onto the funnel. I want to show you the funnel straight away. Basically, the front end is going to cost you $12.95, and this is going to transform your online results. Stop failing or struggling and enjoy success as you'll finally learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way with this stunning in-depth conversation and courses. Right now, I say conversation because it is an info product. It's going to be a lot of video training, so you'll find that you'll be listening to Mounza Akmal. He's going to be teaching you and showing you some very good strategies that you may not have ever come across, along with Dawud Islam. He's going to show you a few there as well. That's just on the front end. So there's just the front end alone, you know, for $12.95 you're getting about $197 value straight away. The OTO 1, which is Affiliate Marketing Reveal Pro version, which basically is going to show you how you can 10 times your results with a 10 extra advanced training videos in the Pro version. This is something definitely I would consider. It's only $17, and it's going to obviously give you a lot more chance of making more money. The OTO 2, which is done for you affiliate marketing website, this is going to give you completely done for you, built for you, personalized affiliate review site with a one-to-one training program, 4 hours face-to-face with Mounza to set this up. This isn't a done for you plug and play site, but a genuine personal site built for you alone. Excellent, very, very good. I really like this. Its downsell gives you the site, but with instructions for how to install it yourself for those familiar with WordPress. So I would highly suggest you go for the 297 because it's going to be done for you, but you've got a 4-hour consultation with Mounza, and he's going to go through exactly how you set up your WordPress site. So this is excellent, very, very good upsell. And of course, if you're already familiar with WordPress, then you could get the downsell for $97, where Mounza is obviously not going to show you how to set all this up. So that's the only difference between the OTO 2 done for you there. Then there's the OTO 3, which is done for you weekly campaigns. This comes in at $97, or with a downsell of $47. This is going to give you 3 times done for you campaigns each and every week. Includes done for you bonus page with review video, product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered for you. Requires commission griller. OTO 4 is the Elite Academy, which is at 37 monthly reoccurring, at 30% commissions. So you can actually still promote this link out, and you can start to drive traffic in from that way. This comes with a $3 trial downsell, where you go in basically for 3 days, see if it's something you're interested in, and then you can sign up for $37 monthly, which is going to give you basically a backdoor access to a top affiliates and elite affiliates that are within inside this group, which can help you with a lot of things, but also it gives you a stepping stone whether or not you want to go for the Elite Academy, which is at $997, where you can actually release a product with Dawud, with his traffic, and grow your business. But of course, now you need to get into the 37 monthly reoccurring before you can get into access with that. And there's the OTO 5 one-on-one coaching, which is at 147 or with a 97 down sale. And this is 2 times 45-minute one-to-one coaching calls with Mauser, plus 4 weeks of personal email support. Down sale is 1 times 45-minute call plus 2 weeks of email support. This is really cool. Mauser's really put himself out there because, you know, he's quite a knowledgeable character when it comes to the affiliate world, and he's giving you his time to promote your status as affiliate, even if you're a newbie or above. This is really, really good for you. The OTO 6, which is reseller rights, and this is reseller rights for the affiliate marketing revealed, where you can enjoy across the whole of the funnel, 100% commissions across the sales funnel. This is just going to cost you $17, okay? And as I always say, get the reseller rights because you can make maximum profit once you start to sell these, especially if you've got your own sort of list, or you've actually got your own tribe that you are preaching to with affiliate marketing. This is a very, very good way to do it. Okay, guys. So that's it. That's really what I wanted to get down to. So you might be asking, what is actually the actual situation? What is internet marketing revealed? Well, it's just another alternative method of how you can do internet marketing, but this way is a way that works. So if you are struggling online, this is going to really help you because this is going to generate an income. You can see here, stop struggling with internet marketing and finally learn how to do these things the right way. The most in-depth course you will find at this price point for beginners and struggling online marketeers. Make this the year that you put failure to bed and build your dreams. So yeah, so it's a really cool product actually. Quite impressed with that. I'll just see if this one is live, and I do believe that this is the sales page, which is still under, because this goes live, guys, on the 21st of January. So you can see that this one here is Dawud Islam, and this one here is Mauser Akbar, okay? And then you get a in-depth tutorial here of how the actual product is going to work, etc. This is the proof of money. So this is showing you the proof of money, which is right here. And then basically, as I said to you before, you get all this. Finally learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, step-by-step, easy to follow videos, lots of free additional training and resources, no tech skills needed or required, totally newbie friendly, over the shoulder case study included. Whatever your level, you will benefit from this. Now the bonuses are as followed. Bonus 1 is discount on Academy membership. This is a really cool bonus because you're getting 30% off. Bonus 2, which is the exclusive Facebook group, and bonus 3 is total traffic. Bonus 4 is essential emails, and bonus 5 is teach startup. Okay, so it's really cool. Comes with 100% money back guarantee, but please do not abuse this, otherwise you will be blacklisted. And all you need to do, guys, is click on the link when it goes live on the 21st of Jan 2022, 9 AM. Don't forget to grab this before the 5 days is up, because this will be going to $20. So you've got a good chance to get into it at a low cost. In fact, I think this one is actually going to $30 after the 5 day. So if you want affiliate marketing revealed, this is the one to go for, guys. Until my next review, I will see you later. Cheers, guys. Bye.